Hello, dear kids. How are you, beta? I hope you all are safe and sound at your homes. So, dear kids, in last two videos, we discussed determiners. We came to know that determiner is a word which is used before a noun. It refers to a noun. It indicates to a noun. Further, there are four types of determiners: articles, demonstratives, possessive, and quantifiers. These all determiners we have discussed one by one, and we did some exercises based on these parts of determiners. One of the exercises that is there in the practice books of your English practice book, we are given some pictures. One picture is there of this type. It is on the on one page, and there are some clues also. You have to match the correct one. Okay, beta? So you can see some dialogues are there. We have to match the correct dialogue with this one. How many sandwiches do you want? See the uses of many. Many is used with a countable noun, plural countable noun. Sandwiches, that is plural, and that they are countable. So many is used with the countable noun. So that has been used already. Okay. Second, a lady is there with cake. Let's match it. Yes, I hope this cake does not have too much sugar. Now you can see this sugar is an uncountable noun, and that is why we has used much. Okay, much, that cannot be counted. Sugar cannot be counted, that is uncountable. Okay, it is showing the quantity. Much is used to show quantity. Many for numbers, much for quantity. Then third one, buns are there. A lady is offering buns to a boy. Come on, have a bun. There are a lot here. There are a lot. तो थर्ड में ये आएगा आपका there are a lot for much quantity, काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी के लिए. Then fourth, a man is offering the scoop of ice cream to a girl. He is asking her, how many scoops of ice cream do you want? How many? It is showing numbers, kitne. Next one, bottles are there. 3 bottles are there. The lady is pointing out to the bottles. We have a lot of orange juice in our store. A lot of orange juice. A lot of determiner. And last one is, eating too many chips can harm my health. The girl is just keeping aside the chips and saying that eating too many chips, too many, that is determiners, बहुत सारे, मतलब क्वांटिटी को दिखाने के लिए, too many. ठीक है. Next exercise we have, a team from Cadbury, India, the makers of a food drink, has come to show the children a small documentary on nutritious food. They have shown the children a food pyramid. Work in group of 4, discuss what we should eat and in what quantity. Complete the food pyramid using suitable determiners from the 8 box on the next page. This is the 8 box that I have kept the 8 box for you here. Some, any, a little, enough, many, all, a lot of, few. We have to use them one by one. You can see here a few pieces of chocolate, many carrots, a lot of apples. So this is a food pyramid. Okay, you have to show that what quantity we should take to keep our health strong, to keep us fit and fine. Let's see. These are the determiners that I have used. A bottle oil, a bottle of oil, like in a long period. Some sugar, enough milk, बहुत सारा, खूब सारा. Some cheese, a few fish, a few eggs, some green vegetables, some fruits, bananas, a lot of grapes or fruits, we can say, a few slices of breads, a little porridge, we can say. Okay, we can say that it is any fast food, that is a little, and some noodles. Okay, so this is a how we use these determiners to show the quantity, Let's move to the next slide. Worksheet 6. Preet is suffering from a severe stomach ache. Her doctor has asked her to give him a detailed explanation for her eating routine. She is very busy today and cannot meet the doctor. So she goes to his clinic early and leaves a message for him to read. Complete what she has written. Use the aid box. This is the aid box given here. We have to use this to show that Preet takes what in what quantity. I usually eat a healthy breakfast. I always have some fruits. I eat a few apples. And next one. Bananas and drink a lot of water. Then I do not apply butter on my bread. I eat a sandwich with a little juice for lunch. I also have few helpings of salad with some vegetables. I sometimes have a cookie. I know cookies are not good for me, but they are delicious. I hope you all will practice these exercises at homes. Okay, bete? Thank you so much. God bless you.